po ay I'm Dr. Rose Valdez na isa sa may-ari ng Testa Practical Woman. Matatagpuan po ang aming office, ang aming school, nasa taas po ng Metro Plaza Mall, nasa Phase 2, 56.
Babag silang, babag silang. Invited po kayo sa mga pagkakaligain na Damasco po ang kabutihan ay gagawin po ang aming atigain para makatulong po sa mga tao, sa mga kabayan natin. Tinayo po namin ang TESTA with my partnership Lucia Pruel Yadaw. Ako po President, siya po Vice President. Ang program po na inilagay namin, tinayo namin kagaya po ng bookkeeping, events management, housekeeping, computer, system services. We have also hilot na si kinakalimutan ko na maging isang trainer namin at bread and pastry, and we have also housekeeping. We have more branches from Quezon Province. We have 6, and in Cavite we have 2, and in Antipolo we have 1, and in Pasig we have also 1. We offer these courses na free. Ang records po natin, we have allowance of 160 pesos per day sa bawat estudyante. And mayroon din po kami from Kinder 1 to K-12, senior high, free lahat, pero private school. And we have also in senior high and second college level. Ang mga courses na in-offer namin, we have accountancy, accounting, BS major in finance and management. We have also education, major in PBL and HE. We have BS major in psychology. Lahat po na mag-enroll sa amin, libre. From first year to fourth year college, from kinder to senior high, free. Private program. Is subsidized by our government. Kaya libre po lahat, pati uniform. Open po kami. At this coming school year, 2025-26, opening courses June and kinder to senior high. Ang aming college, mag-open kami ng August. But the TESTA ay mag-open na po kami this coming April. Bukod po na sa mature courses program, we have also a 3 years course kagaya ng mga HRM and tourism. Diploma pa ma-receive nila sa 3 years course kasi that is a ladder rise. Pag sinabi po natin ladder rise, pwede nila i-course sa 4 years course. Para NC2, mga short-term courses. Kaya kung you have a real needs o mga anak you want to visit our school,
Si Uncle ay nandito sa launching ng Maharlika Mushroom Project.
Maganda itong yung tayo na
Ayan. Congratulations, Doktora. And Pastor. Bishop. The Vice President.